The Topaz framework allows scripts or macros to be created by demonstration in any graphical application created with Amulet. All commands are listed in the Undo window, and the user can select which command should be in the script. The commands do not need to be contiguous, in case some extra operations are performed by accident. The user can move which object is selected using keyboard keys, either forwards or backwards through the objects, and this can be recorded in the script by enabling recording of selections. Also, the user can search for the appropriate object. The values from the selected object can be copied into the search window, or values can be typed in. Which parameters will be used for the search are specified using the checkboxes on the left. The search can either go forwards or backwards through the objects, or else the user can search in a graphical direction, up, down, left, right, inside, or outside. This is useful for writing scripts like this one, that moves all objects that are on the right of the blue rectangle further to the right to make room. Parameters of operations can be explicitly generalized using dialog boxes. Topaz automatically generalizes any uses of objects that are created as part of the script. The generalizations of objects is specified and edited in this dialog box. For locations of objects, there are many options for each coordinate, with the icons representing relationships with other objects, such as that this object is to the left, right, above, below, or centered. The picture in the lower left of the window changes to show what is selected. This is a script to select the first object, duplicate it 3 times, and change the size to 3 computed positions with respect to the first object, and then delete the first object. Applying this script repeatedly subdivides the triangle. We can specify how many times the script is to be executed. Single stepping can be used to see what each of the operations does, which is useful for debugging. Scripts can be edited to delete commands or insert new commands. Another script goes through a list of numbers and makes rectangles with the width depending on the numbers to make a bar graph. Another feature of Topaz is that in addition to being invoked by keyboard accelerators, buttons, or menus, the user can specify that a script should be invoked before or after another command. The user just executes the desired command, selects the command in the Undo window, and then clicks on the Load button. The parameters of the command can be generalized. Here we have created a script that puts a rectangle behind a string, and this is invoked every time a string is created. Topaz is a framework built into the middle layers of Amulet and can be used by any application with little work by the programmer. Here is a script in a circuit program that performs De Morgan's law by changing an AND gate and a NOT gate into 2 NOT gates and an OR gate.